RYOBI Automotive Power Sources are the perfect power solution for those looking for a portable power option that give you a variety of ways to charge your devices. They use dual power technology, meaning your tool's power can come from an 18-volt 1+ battery or from a vehicle. Charge and power your devices and small appliances anywhere, whether that be in the car, on the go, at home, or even when you're outside near a vehicle. Now, you'll never need to charge or lack power when you need it most. Use the 120-watt power source to charge your phone, tablet, or any other USB-A device using either USB-A ports on the power source. It also features a 120-volt outlet. That way you can power things like a fan, lights, wireless router, or any other small device that requires less than 120 watts. Need more than 120 watts? The 1000-watt power source is equipped with 1 USB-C outlet, 2 USB-A outlets, 2 120-volt outlets, and 1 12-volt car power port, and can power even larger electronic devices and appliances. With the included battery car clamps, you can reach up to 1000 watts of power, which is perfect for camping with friends, tailgating, or when working remotely. Power things like lights, a TV, corded power tools, or any device or appliance that requires less than 1000 watts. You can also use the included 12-volt car adapter by plugging into any vehicle's 12-volt power port to reach up to 120 watts, allowing you to charge things like cell phones, tablets, or wireless headphones. When you're not around a vehicle, you can use an 18-volt 1+ battery to charge your phone, laptop, tablet, gaming device, or any other device up to 300 watts. This is the most portable option and is great for times when the power goes out. With dual power options, whether in the car or on the go, you can rely on RYOBI for reliable portable power.